Your Škoda is a clever car full of complex features. Learn how to use them all with the digital manual. Have a specific thing you need to know? Find out easily using the search function. Select the most relevant result and read the comprehensive explanation. Not sure what you're looking for? There are several ways to browse interesting information about your Škoda. The Interactive Images feature lets you explore your car inside and out. Tap on highlighted features to find out what they do. For example, find out more about your steering wheel functionalities. Not sure what a warning light in the virtual cockpit means? Or just want to learn them all in advance? Explore the Symbols feature. Want a more traditional way of using the manual? In Topics, you can go through it like you would with a paper one. For example, in the chapter about charging, you can find out about what current to use. Your Škoda also has so many simply clever features that it might be difficult to discover all of them. Just tap on Simply Clever to see the list. To select language, go to About Manual menu and select Manual Language. Then choose from the available languages. Want some interesting tips and tricks on how to use your car? There's a section for that too. With the digital manual, you have all the information about your car at your fingertips and in many languages.